Sigurado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ECS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ECS! Naglipa na ang mga papaya soaps. Napansin niyo ba mga girls and guys? Aminin, gusto niyo rin pumuti. Sa dinami-dami ng papaya soaps na makikita niyo sa groceries, may isang namumukod tanging White Rose Papaya. Mula sa White Rose, dahil hindi lang papaya extracts ang ingredient nito, meron ding vitamin B3. Nakikita ito sa mga mamahaling mga serums na kilalang nagpapabilis ng pagpapaputi ng balat. Kaya naman ang White Rose Papaya, clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days. With regular use, papaya puti, papaya fast. Yan ang White Rose Papaya.
Importante na matibay ang resistensya ng ating mga anak. Pero alam niyo ba ang pundasyon ng matibay na resistensya? Ang matibay na katawan. Kaya ang bagong Bear Brand Fortified, may doble tibay. Tibay ang resistensya at tibay ng katawan nutrients. 100% vitamin C na, may dagdag 100% vitamin D pa. Kaya laging tandaan, matibay ang resistensya kapag matibay ang katawan. Yan ang doble tibay mula sa bagong Bear Brand Fortified.
Doble Tibay refers to Tibay Resistensya nutrients with 100% vitamin C, iron, zinc, and Tibay Katawan nutrients with 100% vitamin D, calcium, protein with 3 balanced meals and exercise. Bear Brand Fortified is not suitable for infant feeding and is not a breast milk substitute.
This Christmas, Food Panda, for food and more, delivered, yeah. Order Food Panda, may celebrate with family, para food pick up or delivery. Merong Food Panda shops, ang dali ng mabili, quick and easy gift delivery. This Christmas, Food Panda, for food and more, delivered, yeah.
Food Panda, got you this Christmas. Order now.
Food Panda, got you this Christmas. Order now.
Champion Superpower na. Mura siya. Hanggang pa, mas mata. Champion tipid ka. Kilig ka. Sa presyong abot ka.
New Champion Super Power with X-Stain Technology. Max
Linis